morning, everyone. T-Speaker 222 XRP Future Millionaire with the side bet on XLM and Future Digibyte OG. So, guys, this is a special broadcast. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do when I buy back, because you guys keep asking which direction am I going. So, Bitcoin, we can see is trading beautifully within this trend line. We have this descending support or descending resistance line that goes all the way back to, and you're going to see why it's so important, because it's been following it beautifully, and this goes all the way back to July 12th. It's been within this descending resistance, and since July 8th, it's been in this descending support. So we've been in this for the better part of, what is this, about 10 days, 11 days now? Or 9 days, whatever. About 9 days. So it's coming in here beautifully on Bitcoin. So it's trading between this, and I expect it to continue, guys, as the day goes on, to work its way down until it finds this sweet spot, and then it can bounce up. It's got to find a sweet spot, and I think it's right around 30,300 in my opinion. So we're going to see if it continues down this trend line. If it breaks out of it and showing some volume, I'll obviously update you as according. XRP, same deal. It's followed through this trend line absolutely spectacularly. The support line is a little more consistent than Bitcoin's. It's more of a parallel support line, but it's a descending resistance line. And it's been trading within it. So we're going to see what happens, and I would expect nothing less, like I said earlier, than XRP to trade up, trade down, trade up, get to the sweet spot, and finally bounce out. Where the sweet spot is, I don't know. Because we could absolutely change that trend line to descending one now and put it into a channel, because that's what I think we should do. So you guys are going to see some technical analysis updates on the fly, something I usually do before I come on. But I like you guys to see what I'm thinking and why I'm thinking it. So let me get this handy dandy pen out that Gator Hunt sent me so nicely. Whoops. It's a little harder to draw them sideways. I know I can use a trend line, but I like to do it myself. Something I do unique to the show. So I'm trying to get this parallel feel. This is what I do. That looks pretty good to me. So we're in this channel, guys. So what I would expect is XRP, we can bounce up, bounce back down, bounce back up, bounce back down. And we're going to try to find a sweet spot around 52 cents, in my opinion. And then we can try to make a way up. But right now, we've been trading through this channel for quite some time. A descending support, descending resistance. It eventually meets. But that's why we bounce down, bounce up, bounce down, bounce up. We can even make the upper resistance. We can even do this descending resistance line to make it look better, so that you guys can even see even better. Because it's up there, and it's been riding this pretty good. So now we're going to start to do, we're going to start to bounce inside of it like we've been this entire time. This should make it a little easier for you guys to see what's going on. And you see the resistance band, the moving resistance band, or regression band, I call it, because that's what it technically is, but it's a moving regression band, and it's within these zones the entire time, for the most part. So you'd expect XRP up and down, up and down, up and down, and you get the diffracting, it's kind of like a fractal descent, and it's doing it by segments. And then we can get into the sweet spot where we might bounce down, or we can bounce up. That's why somewhere between that 52 and 54 cent range is going to be hot. So, and I'll update these patterns as we go. That's not an exactly perfect one, but that's the channel it's been trading inside of. So it makes it a little bit easier to understand the direction we're looking at. DGB's been trading inside of this wedge that I created. I haven't updated it yet because it's still trading within it beautifully. And what that means, I have an inside-out triangle, is it can go down and way back up here and come way back down. And the longer it goes, until the descending resistance line catches up to it, it's going to bounce inside of it. But there can be some nice gains in there. But this is a bears continuation pattern, and it's been doing it for quite some time following in this channel now. So again, that's a channel it's in, and I turned it into an inside out triangle at the end so you guys can see how it can start to pull back up. But it can also follow within this channel, and I have a mark down at about 3 to 3.2 where I think it can get to. So we're gonna see what happens. But this all depends on Bitcoin getting down to 30,300. And right now my plan is to have XRP, XLM, and DGB, but that could change because I feel like Doge is going to have a major kick up on this next push up. Look at that big M in the pattern, so I very well might go Doge as well. So I'll update you guys when appropriate. But they're following within these channels absolutely beautifully. Bitcoin absolutely beautifully. And it's actually doing exactly what it needs to stay within the channel, and then it'll come down and go up. But we need it to build up so that it can come through to the bottom of the channel, down to 30,300. That's what we're looking for. So T-Speaker 222 XRP Future Millionaire with the side bet on XLM and Future Digibyte OG. I bring it to you raw, unedited, and this is something you need. Join Tom's Army, get me here full time so you can see this next level technical analysis all day, every day like you already do, but get more live streams. If you join Tom's Army, you get the Discord for free. And you also get me being abducted by aliens for absolutely free in the emojis. So also if you want to donate, links in the description. Stay true, stay blessed, hashtag